6:55 a.m. Monday. We got formation at 7:05 this week. It's too early.
What's up?
What's up?
Good morning.
You guys have Tuesday, right? For the meeting with the Admiral?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Tuesday morning.
Alright, back from breakfast, and I got watched today. So my ops officer just emailed us and said, I hope all is well. I was just informed this morning that Division 3 is scheduled for watch today. We are not scheduled for watch on the watch schedule the ops officers were given at the beginning of the semester, so I'm, of course, do not have a watch bill made. So I just signed up for the 9 to 10, which is 8:45, because there's a 15-minute anticipation. Mostly the reason why I signed up for it is because I don't want a 4-hour watch tonight. And someone's going to have to do it, but I signed up for a 1-hour watch, so I don't have to do that. Life is all about risks and rewards. Personally, I'd rather just take the 1-hour watch. Especially don't want to risk getting a 4-hour watch, because the 4-hour watches are like late at night. They're from like 12 to 4 and 4 to 8. Personally, I just don't want to be up at that hour, especially for a 4-hour watch. So I'm not doing anything until 1:30. It's my first class. Just gotta do some test corrections. And yeah, it's all about weighing your options. This is our school ship, training ship, Empire State 6. Every summer we take it out and go places. Except for last summer, because of COVID, it was canceled. You get very bored on 4-hour watches, so you do stuff like that. Try to occupy your mind, or you do stuff like this. People do that also. Watch is over, just got relieved early. You ever want to make someone's day? Relieve them early from a watch or a job. Just get there a little early and it'll make them feel a lot better. 5 minutes, 10 minutes, whatever. Because they've been dreading getting off that detail for hours probably. My economics class, it's really quite boring, so you didn't miss out on anything. Just like analyzing graphs. Not something that I want to be doing. But right now I'm about to go to ops research, which is basically math. It's like algebra. I don't know why we're learning it. It's like stuff we've already learned before. A bunch of algebraic concepts, and then we have to use them all in one class. Alright, just got back from class. I'm chilling for the rest of the day. I don't have anything, but I just picked up Pure Leaf, half and half, and Uncrustables. These are goated snacks. If you've never tried them, I would highly recommend.
Oh, she annihilated food for it. Oh, wow. Well, I was the one that was one. She got Jay had it. Really? Yeah. Yo, do you have he was walking down.
It's later.
Just came back from the gym, had dinner, and that's today's video. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe, leave a like, and I'll see you guys in the next video.